So, a few things about meeting etiquette. And this is really important because it helps things get going. Uh, so, you're going to make tasks when things are triggered. Okay, somebody answers yes to a question, you're going to create a task. That needs to be done, but it needs to be done quickly. Task only has one captain. A dog with two owners goes hungry is an old uh, saying. It's of Spanish origin. I don't really know what country it came from. But you pick a date, you name what gets done and who's going to be in charge, and you go on. You don't try to solve the problem at the meeting. You just assign someone who will take responsibility to solve the problem. There's a huge difference, but it will get things done. It just cuts down on the meeting time. All right, so don't let conversations try to solve the problem at the meeting. One conversation at a time. You know, it's a short meeting. Be there at the meeting and don't be talking to the person next to you. One conversation at a time. That way people can pay attention and keep the meeting moving. Like I said, it's a short meeting. Don't be messing with your cell phone. Don't be, doing things while the meeting's going on. That's just silly. Everybody be there and pay attention. Now there's some abbreviations we use. DIA means demand immediate attention. SLM means since last meeting. And you'll see them in the questions. Now use and observe the proven method. We kind of talked about this. This is the public square. It's why you create a task even when you think you don't really need one, because you'll be surprised how many times you need one when you didn't think you did. All right. Constantly improve the questions. Think about it. If a question annoys you or it doesn't get the answers you want, eventually bring it up. Now, we should have a meeting about once every, it varies. Some companies do them every month. Some companies do them every 3 months. But you just get around and you go through the questions one at a time and say, is this question still needed? Can it be worded better? And is it in the right order? And you just go through the meeting that way. Do we need to add any questions? That type of thing. And then you start recreating the meetings. You create a meeting for another group and be sure you get the timing right. So if something needs to go from one group, needs to be escalated to another, it can be done. But yeah, once you've got one and it works and you think, oh, this would work really good somewhere else, do it. So that's just some etiquette and some ideas. And thank you.